Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss regio and stereo selectivity in thermal 2 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction of ketene with alkene. The regio selectivity is governed by the polarization of alkene with the more electron rich end of the alkene forming a bond with the electron deficient central carbon atom of ketene. Let us take the example of reaction of ethyl vinyl ether with diphenylketene. The terminal carbon of ethyl vinyl ether is the most electron rich, bearing partial negative charge due to resonance and thus preferentially attacks on the most electron deficient sp hybridized carbon of ketene to produce 3-ethoxy-2,2-diphenyl cyclobutanone. Ketene undergoes 2 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction even with diene. For example, reaction of cyclopentadiene with dichloroketene. In this reaction too, the most nucleophilic carbon of diene forms bond with the most electron deficient carbon of ketene. Two plus two cycloaddition of ketene with the alkene occurs stereospecifically such that the geometry of alkene is maintained in the cyclobutanone product. For example, reaction of Z1-propoxypropene with dimethylketene gives cyclobutanone in which methoxy and propoxy groups are cis to each other like in the case of the reactant alkene, and reaction of Ze1-propoxypropene with dimethylketene gives cyclobutanone in which methoxy and propoxy groups are trans to each other like reactant alkene. During 2 plus 2 cycloaddition of ketene with alkene, bigger group on C2 and C3 of cyclobutanone are cis to each other. For example, reaction of monosubstituted alkene with ethoxyketene produces cyclobutanone in which ethoxy group at C2 and R group at C3 are cis to each other. Let us take more examples. Reaction of cis-2-butene with ethoxyketene gives cyclobutanone in which ethoxy group at C2 and methyl group at C3 are cis to each other. Since the two methyl groups in the reactant alkene are cis to each other, therefore the two methyl groups in the product at C3 and C4 are cis. Similarly, reaction of trans-2-butene with ethoxyketene gives cyclobutanone in which ethoxy group at C2 and the methyl group at C3 are cis to each other. Since the two methyl groups in the reactant alkene are trans to each other, therefore the two methyl groups in the product at C3 and C4 are trans. Reaction of ketene with cyclopentadiene gives adduct with larger ketene substituent in the endo position. For example, reaction of cyclopentadiene with ethylketene gives cycloaddition product with the endo orientation of the ethyl group. Similarly, reaction of cyclopentadiene with phenyl chloro, phenyl bromo, phenyl methyl or phenyl ethyl gives adduct with the endo phenyl group. The stereochemistry is reversed in the case of methoxyphenylketene. Here, the smaller methyl group is endo while the bigger phenoxy group is exo. Reaction of 3,3-dimethyl-cyclopentene with dichloro or diphenylketene gives regioisomer A as major and regioisomer B as minor product. This is because C1 is more nucleophilic due to less steric crowding than C2, and thus preferential attack by C1 on the central carbon of ketene leads to the formation of isomer A as major product. Reaction of 3,3-dimethyl-cyclopentene with cyano-T-butyl-ketene does not give any of the regioisomer A because of its instability due to strong repulsive interaction between the bulky T-butyl group and endomethyl group. So, in this reaction, regioisomer B is exclusively formed. Reaction of 3,3-dimethyl cyclohexene with dichloroketene gives regioisomer A as major and B as minor. Reaction of 3,3-dimethyl cyclohexene with dichloroketene gives regioisomer A as minor and regioisomer B as major. We can understand this product distribution more clearly by drawing chair forms of these two structures. In isomer A, axial CCl2 group makes it less stable than isomer B with the axial carbonyl group. Reaction of spirondiene with dichloroketene gives only A isomer. This is obtained by the attack of most nucleophilic carbon of diene on sp carbon of ketene. Isomer A after reaction with benzylamine gives amide product. Similarly, reaction of 1,5,5-trimethyl cyclohexa-1,3-diene with dichloroketene gives only A isomer, which after reaction with benzylamine gives amide product.